Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit this website, nanobanana.ai, and then you're going to sign in with your Google account, and then you're going to go to the image editor here, and then guys, you can click on start editing here. Okay, and here guys, you will have two features. You can use image to image feature and also text to image feature. If you want to generate image with image, you can choose this one, but you need to prepare for the image as the reference. And then you can also use text to image. You can generate image with a text. You just need to add the prompt here, and then you can click on generate now, and the output will appear right here. Then you will be able to download the output. Okay, and the next one, you can go to the toolbox, and then you can use the editing tools here. For example, batch editor and also the background remover. You can use Nano Banana to remove the background of your image as well. You can upload your image here, and then the AI will remove your image background, and the result will appear right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Nano Banana in Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Nano Banana. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.